Hello, guys. Welcome to Ego IFX, and I'm glad that you're here today. Thank you so much, guys, for showing some love, for watching our videos, and leaving us comment and subscribing to our channel. So remember to show some love also today by subscribing to our channel and liking this video, because YouTube really likes it. And today we are back again to do market analysis and to give you our general overview from what we can see and from what we can project, what is going to happen, all right, from what we can predict rather. All right, guys, remember we have a free Telegram group and also a VIP group. If you want to join, the link is on the description below, so remember to do that. All right, so today we'll be going through three pairs as usual. Number one, I'll go through Audjpy. Number two, I'll go through Chfjpy. The number three, I'll go through Gbpjpy. So let's start with Audjpy. All right, let's start with Audjpy. And normally I like starting from the monthly time frame, and the reason why I do that is because I want to get the general move of the market. Okay, and to get the general move of the market, how is the market moving and which direction is moving. So you can see this is a monthly time frame, so I can record this as my highest, and then I can record this as my lowest point. Okay, so you can see that the market came almost close to this point, and then now it's in here. But from what is happening now, I see some sort of bearish move. There's a bearish move here. All right, there's a bearish move here, and also I can see some little bullish movement. Okay, so let's go to the weekly time frame and see. All right, so I'm rather interested in what is currently happening right now. So from the weekly time frame, you can see that we can also mark this as the highest. All right, then we can also come here and mark this because the market came all the way up to that particular point. So you see that it came from here, it pushed all the way to here, and now it's here. So perhaps from the weekly time frame, the market is trying to push to either up to this level, or it might push all the way to this level here before it starts going up like that. All right, so we are yet to see, to know what is really happening. Okay, so let's go to the let's see if there's a level we can draw here. I believe we can draw this, or maybe let's go to the daily time frame and see on the daily time frame what can we see on the daily time frame. Excuse me, let me go back to the weekly time frame. I just saw something here which is of interest to me, and I would like to draw it at this level here. This level here, it's a level of interest to me, and it's because of how the market has done. All right, the reason why I've drawn that is because you see that there's some sort of support here, and then another one here, another one here, then another one here. The market came from support, the market came, tried to break out, gave some fake out, then the market came and broke, then tried to retest, and then it went down. Okay, and it came up again, broke this structure, and then found support again to push to the upside. All right, so that's the reason why I would rather be interested on that area, or draw that zone there, because it's a level of interest to me. Okay, so now from the weekly time frame, I'm seeing that perhaps this market might come all the way here before it goes up, or perhaps I see another level here. See, the market gave a proper fake out, but there's some little support here, and that's why you see that it's trying to move up. Okay, anyway, let's go to the daily time frame and see if there's something we can catch on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, as you can see, this area that I said, there like that. Okay, now you can see that, let me zoom this. You can see that when this market came here, it found support here, support here, and then it came all the way to this level, and then it was rejected back to the zone. Then it did some retest before it came with momentum to come and break and do some retest to find support to go all the way up. So I believe that this level, you can draw this level as a zone like that. Okay, let's remove the line. Okay, and then you can see that from a daily time frame, you can see that there's a very strong bullish movement. Okay, so you can easily enter. Here, put your stop loss just below like that, right? Then target this point here, which is 2.5 times. Now I know that my stop loss seems a bit bigger. I'm on a daily time frame, but guys, remember, it's all about risk management, right? It doesn't matter if my stop loss is 200 pips. If for example my stop loss is 200 pips and I'm trying to win 400 pips, and another person is trading and his stop loss is 20 pips trying to win 40 pips, it's still the same, because the risk to the reward, that is what is the most important thing. So the size of the stop loss to me doesn't matter. What matters mostly to me is the risk, right? The risk and the reward. Okay, so let's go down to the 4-hour time frame and see if there is something that we can catch here. So we are on the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame, I see something here. This place acted as support before. Okay, so let me change the color so that it's not confusing. All right, and if I clone that, then I can put another one here like that. Okay, so you see that the market came and found support, pushed up to this level, then came and broke and found support here, and then went back to the same zone, was rejected to here, and went back, and now it came to break and found some retest and came now to our zone. Now it's nearing this place. Now if I try and zoom in, you can see that this level here, if I just maybe reduce it a bit, you can see that this level is almost yeah, so we can mark that level that way. All right, okay, I mark that level that way because if I go back, zoom and go back, you see that this level acted as a resistance. It was broken, then it acted as support, and it supported actually this market all the way up there. So this level becomes a level of interest, and also we can draw another one here, or maybe can just clone this. Let's just clone this, and then we put another one here. Okay, let's see where it leads us to. If you zoom forward, you can see, yeah, okay. So the reason why I've drawn this level here is because you see that this market was ranging here, rejection here. I see the market was rejected here, the market was rejected here, and here also before it found momentum to break and then find support went and came to do a retest and then formed a double bottom before now it was able to push all the way to this zone over here. Now if I come now to currently where we are right now, notice happening to the market, you can see that this level here, it acted as a support, and then it also acted as support here again. So yeah, so remember I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So what will I do here? What I'll do is, if this market is able to break, if this market is able to break this level, then come to find support, then I'll be interested in buys. Then I'll target this particular point over here, right? So I'll enter my buy and target this particular point here, all right? And then can take my profit here. Also, I can take some other profit at this particular level. But if it's not able to break, then I'll be interested in sales, all right? Because if you look at it well, you can easily call this to forming a double top. Okay, so perhaps this might easily fall down. Okay, but what we can do is we can still go further down the 1-hour time frame and try and see if maybe we can see some confirmation. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, yeah, the 1-hour time frame, there's a level here. Okay, there's a level here. There's a level here, but I don't want to draw so many levels so that I get you confused. You can see that this market has still not been able to break this zone here. So maybe what I can do is and just draw some sort of trend line like that. Okay, then you can see that it has formed some sort of a double top. Okay, then I can enter my sell here. All right, enter my sell here, then put my stop loss just above this. Okay, then I can target my first I can target my first take profit at this level, that is 1.64 times. Then I can target my second profit at this particular level. And the reason is because you see that this market has come all the way to this particular point before, or even this particular point before, right? This is an area of which you can take a profit at this level, right? But this is what I'll do because I've still not been able to break the zone, and I am also still below. This market has not been able to break this top here, right? You can see also some rejection here. Okay, so some rejection here. So that's what I'll do. I'll enter my sell over there, put my stop loss here, and then just target this area. You see, this is 3 times, so I'm risking 1% to make 3%, right? Maybe you are risking $100 or $50 to make 150. Okay, but if it is able to break and break this and continue going up, then that setup then becomes invalid. Okay, your setup becomes invalid. All right, let's go to our next pair, which is Chfjpy. So Chfjpy, we start from the monthly time frame. As usual, we go to the monthly time frame to get the general move of the market. Okay, and from the monthly time frame, you can see that the market is bullish. Sorry, market is bullish. Okay, so let's mark this as the highest so far we've seen on Chfjpy, and currently this has been the lowest level. Okay, the market came up to here, came back here, and then see that now it's trying to move to go up that way. Okay, right? And the reason why this, if maybe we are going into zones, then you see that if I draw this zone like this, I draw this zone like this here, and you can see the reason why this market reversed is because this place acted as a resistance, then another resistance, then also here it was resisted, gave people a faker that is going to buy, and then it fell. There's a resistance here, then it came with momentum to break and go up. And then now this place is acting as a support. All right, that's the reason why you see that the market got to reverse at that particular place. Okay, but currently we see a bullish momentum. Okay, already the market has been able to break this level here. You see the market came way up to here. You see it came here, got rejected, and then it was able to break. Then you see rejection. Now it's like it's broken and done some retest, so perhaps it might continue going up, maybe up to this level or that level up there. Right, from the weekly time frame, what can we see on the weekly time frame? On the weekly time frame, you can see that now it becomes more clear that this market has been able to break this level. What we can do is, I normally like using zones because zones make it to become a bit more clear, right? Zones make it become more clear. Okay, yeah. So you can see that this market has been able to break and done some rate. So we don't know if it's going to continue pushing up or this is just a complete fake out and then it's going to fall. So we'll know as we continue looking at it. All right, yeah. So let's go further down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this is nice. So on the daily time frame, yeah, you can see this level here. You can still add like this. Okay, you can add that. Maybe perhaps change the color so you can be able to see. Okay, so you see resistance here, resistance, break, support. We just come to look for support here. All right, then you see this area here, some areas here. You can mark this area there. You can also mark another area up there like that. Okay, so from the daily time frame, you can see that there is an opportunity to buy up to this point or to buy up to that point. Then how many pips are those? Almost like 107. And if you hold it long enough, then it's 258. Okay, fantastic. Let's go further down the 4-hour time frame and see if you can enter. So I see buying opportunities here. If you want, we can make this into a zone. Okay, you can make this into a zone like that. You can make it into a zone, then we remove this line there because you see that the market is playing in here. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what is there. Yeah, so from the 4-hour time frame, you can remove this higher time frame because already we know that this is the place of support. You can remove it so that maybe it doesn't confuse you a lot. You can remove it that way, okay, so that it's a bit more clear, right? So you can see that there's some consolidation. The market is moving, forming some sort of like a flag, some consolidation. So we don't know if it's gonna buy or it's gonna sell. It's almost like at the middle, and you can see that I've not seen this place market consolidates and goes up. I've not seen a rejection the downward. But let's zoom this and see. Let me go to the 1-hour time frame and see, because on the 1-hour time frame I see something here. I can draw this zone here. Okay. Let me change that color again. So remember, we want to find a good entry. We just don't want to enter blindly and then be stopped out. Okay, yeah, so from that you can see that there's a resistance here, and then the support. So you can see that there's some selling of that here. The market is pushing to go down, then perhaps it's going to continue going up, because remember the market has been on a bullish movement. Okay, so perhaps it's going to come here. So this could be like, maybe the market is doing this, coming here, maybe the market is coming all the way here, then does like this, then continue going up. Okay, that's what we call a flag. Maybe the market is finding momentum to continue buying up to this particular level here, and you can see that's almost like 100 pips or so, or perhaps more momentum up to this level here, 122781. Okay, so that's what I will do on because the market is on a bullish move. I'll rather wait for it here, and then when I see some rejection here, or a pin bar, or maybe a bullish engulfing or so, then I'll be interested in buys. Then I'll just keep on adjusting my stop loss to see if I can maybe be able to catch this move up to here, or if I can be able to catch this move up to this particular level. So let me know what you think of Chfjpy on the comment section below. Let's go to the last pair. Our last pair is Gbpjpy. So Gbpjpy, let's start from a monthly time frame as usual. We see the general direction of the market. Okay, so from the monthly time frame, you can see that Gbpjpy has been on a I think it's on currently it's on a bullish move. I just reached this level, perhaps it's going to fall, right? So maybe I can draw this level here as the lowest we've seen, and also this level here. Okay, this level is the highest, definitely this level is the highest. Then also there's another level here that it came out to, it was not able to break. Then we see also this particular place here. We see this particular level here. Okay, and the reason why I've drawn that there is because you see something here. You see that this market came from this level all the way here, and it was rejected to the down, came with momentum to break up to this higher level, then it came to break and did some retest, and it fell again up to this level here. All right, then went up, got rejected, came down to this level again, went up here, and you can see some sort of rejection, because you see some very three bearish candlesticks. All right, so is it going to fall, continue falling? I think so, because I will not see that place has been rejected several times, so perhaps it's going to fall again up to this level here. So this is another level that you can draw your trend line, I mean not trend line, a zone, because you see that when it when it was able to break, then it came here, got supported again, pushed up, got supported again, now it's come all the way here. So from the monthly time frame, I see some selling opportunities up to either that level, or it can easily come back up to that level over there. All right, but let's go down further, the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you see that I see another zone here. I see another zone over there. So let's change the color this so that at least it's not confusing. And the reason why I've drawn that there is because you see this rejection here and here and here, right? Before this market was able to break and find support, another support, some fake out, but there was support. Then gave people some the early sellers. They were stopped out before it went down again. So you see that some sort of like resistance. The market has been able to break nice, like it's coming all the way to this level down here. Okay, so you can see that this market might easily come to this level here before perhaps it does that, or it might easily continue falling. Okay, don't know, we are still on a bigger time frame, which is the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, let me draw this zone again well, the way I can be able to see it, like that. Then you see that there's some sort of try to reject it. It had momentum to break, then there's support, fake out, and the support, then it went all the way up to this level here, came all the way to find support. There was a very nice pin bar here, then it was able to push this level here, and it has come back again, and you can see a very strong bullish engulfing here. So already I can easily enter my buy, put my stop loss just below this, and perhaps target this level here as 1:1 RR on daily time frame. Yeah, that's what I will do, target this particular level, because I see that this level has been able to support this market several times. Perhaps when it reaches here and it sees breaking, then I might try and get this level here 2.15 times. Okay, so let's look at the 4-hour time frame and see. So on the 4-hour time frame, you see something here, another level here, another level here, and this level, you see that this level was a support level before it was broken, and the market broke again and found support to move up, then it came again, then it's rejected and tried to be gotten rejected here again. So now with this, what I will do, if this market is not able to break this level, then I'll be interested in selling opportunities. Okay, but if this market is able to break, then maybe I see some sort of confirmation with either a pin bar or a bullish engulfing, then I'll be interested in buys up to that particular level over there. Excuse me, and you can see that it's quite a distance, because that's almost 230 pips. So yeah, that's what I would do on Gbpjpy. If it's not able, I've not seen this level trying to recently. I have not seen it trying to reject. Maybe if I go back further, that's where you see that that level was a level of interest, because as you can see, I'm gonna zoom it for you to see. The market came, consolidated, found support, it was able to break and resistance here. It was able to break to find support, able to break resistance, proper fake out, then came down again. It was able to break, and now it found support to push up, push all the way up, came again close to the zone, and now came again to find support up to this level here. Remember, this is a level that we had marked. Okay, that is that level we had marked like that, because the market came all the way, as you can see, came all the way to touch for it to broke, came again, it was rejected, then now the market is here. So what I'll do, if I see something like this, a break and a retest, then I'll be interested in buys up to this level. But if this market is not able to break this level, then I'll be interested in sells up to this level. Perhaps then I can now look for buying opportunities up to that level if this area is able to hold. And as you can see, this one time gave people fake out, it went up, came to fake them again and again and again and again. So perhaps might easily come back to find more momentum to go up, or it might continue to go up to this level 153.525. So guys, let us know in the comment section what you think. Leave us your comment below. Remember to like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, remember to share your ideas with us, your thoughts with us, and remember to check out the links on the description below to join our free Telegram group or our VIP group for those who are interested. All right, so thank you so much. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.